It also highlights the limits of Iran's civilian government as well, as the administration of President Hassan Rouhani and others have signaled an easing of their concern over the mandatory hijab. It shows the insecurity the regime has to any peaceful challenge, said Hadi Ghimi, the executive director of the New York-based Center for Human Rights in Iran, which reported Sotoudeh's conviction. It knows a large segment of the country are fed up with the hijab laws. Sotoudeh, 55, was convicted in absentia after she refused to attend the trial before Tehran's Revolutionary Court as she was unable to select her own counsel, Ghimi said. The Revolutionary Court conducts closed-door hearings over alleged threats to Iran's government. The charges range from her membership in a human rights group to encouraging corruption and prostitution. That suggests her detention in part relates to her defense of women who protested the mandatory hijab. Sotoudeh's conviction was not immediately reported by Iranian state-run media. Iran's mission to the United Nations did not immediately respond to a request for comment Wednesday. The Center for Human Rights in Iran relied on information about Sotoudeh's case provided by her husband Reza Khandan, who separately faces a 6-year prison sentence over providing updates on her case on Facebook, Ghimi said. Other activists also decried Sotoudeh's conviction. Sotoudeh's path-breaking work defending women in Iran, as well as her consistent attempts to uphold the rule of law, should not be penalized with such a blatant miscarriage of justice, said Karin Deutsch-Karlikar of PEN America. Sotoudeh received the prestigious Sakharov Prize for Freedom of Thought by the European Union in 2012. Her previous clients also include Nobel laureate Shirin Ebadi. It is part of the same pattern of wanting to put an end to any peaceful protest on the street, he said. As the 1979 Islamic Revolution took hold, Ayatollah Ruhollah Khomeini ordered female civil servants to wear the chador. At first, thousands of women protested the decision in Tehran, and Khomeini later said officials should not insult women who chose not to wear it, though he also called the chador the flag of the revolution. The hijab and loose-fitting clothing later became mandatory for all women in Iran. In Tehran today, some fashionable young women wear tighter clothes with a scarf loosely covering their head, technically meeting the requirements of the law while drawing the ire of conservatives. In December 2017, Tehran's police said they would no longer arrest women for not observing the Islamic dress code, as video clips of women choosing not to wear hijabs and walking the streets with their heads uncovered spread across social media. Protests followed, including a much-circulated image of a woman atop a junction box at an intersection of Tehran's famed Engelab, or Revolution, Street, waving her white hijab as if it was a flag.